Hello everyone, I am Dishanjay Selva, studying Business Analytics and Finance at Firebird Institute of Research in Management. I am happy to announce that I have been selected at Piramal Finance as a branch sales manager that's based on Chennai. This is a beautiful journey where I've been selected as a branch sales manager. So this has all happened because of Firebird Institute of Research in Management. Firebird, one of the beautiful package that is PGDM, Global MBA and PGP program. And Firebird is also known for its unique selling proposition that is 70-30 model, where we learn rigorously in the morning till afternoon. After post-lunch, we go to the industry and work there. And industry experience was purely based like a corporate experience, working in different verticals, which shaped me what I am today. And moreover, Global MBA, we went to Malaysia, Multimedia University, where we had a blockchain technology. So these ideas, this technology upgradation with all these stuffs had made me engraved, made me like a beautiful pot. So Firebird has carved me like a beautiful pot as a potter and gave me an opportunity at Piramal Finance too. And I'm very happy and I'm very thankful to the management, board of directors, my beloved director, my trustees, my faculties who have guided me, who have supported me in all aspects. And also I thank my parents with the beautiful support coming from Chennai to Coimbatore. It's a very big task and they supported me in all the aspects. I thank my parents too. And moreover, I thank the Almighty God who has given me the knowledge and wisdom to study here. And I also thank the Piramal Finance Group who has given me the opportunity and happy to be part of them. Thank you.